Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I've got something awesome for you, my rundown of the 5 best tablets worth grabbing in 2025. I've dug deep into the market, flipped through specs, and handpicked these 5 gems that nail it on performance and price. My mission? To bring you the coolest tech worth your cash. So if you're into gadget reviews and hot recommendations, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into these beauties together. Alright, here we go. Let's check out the lineup. Number 5, Apple iPad Air. The 13-inch iPad Air 2025 edition is your all-in-one buddy. It's sleek, lightweight, and ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Artists, you'll fall hard for this one. Same goes for anyone into music or video editing. It's a creative dream. Thanks to the M3 chip, this thing's a powerhouse. Slap on a magic keyboard and boom, it's basically an ultra-portable laptop. Sure, you could snag a cheaper 10.9-inch iPad, but then you'd miss out on next-gen Apple Silicon, Apple Pencil Pro support, and that slim 6.1mm frame. If raw power's your vibe, maybe you're eyeing the M4-powered iPad Pro. It's thinner and beastly, but honestly, that's overkill for most of us. I've tested the M3 chip, and trust me, it's more than enough. From binge watching and browsing to pro-level video editing or console-quality gaming, this iPad Air handles it all like a champ. If you want the sweet spot of price, power, and screen size, the 13-inch iPad Air with M3 is my pick. It's a no-brainer for this list. Number 4. OnePlus Pad 2. The OnePlus Pad 2 is a killer upgrade from its predecessor. It's got snappy performance, a dazzlingly bright display, booming speakers, and a battery that just won't quit. Yeah, the back camera's not winning any photography awards, but everything else, pure gold. Right now, this might just be the Android tablet to beat. The vivid screen, speedy vibes, stellar battery life, and those awesome speakers make it a huge step up from the original. Looks-wise, it's pretty much a twin to the first Pad. Metal body, curved edges, and that big round camera smack in the middle of the back. One big change, it's rocking a slick Nimbus grey finish instead of the old Halo green. I'm vibing with the new color, it's got style. The screen's bumped up to 12.1 inches from 11.6, giving you more room to play or work. It sticks to that 7.5 aspect ratio, so it's taller and wider than most tablets. Almost laptop-ish, honestly. Thickness is the same as before, but at 1.9 pounds, around 500 grams, is a bit heftier. Still, it feels comfy enough to hold for a while. Number 3, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Samsung's Galaxy Tab S10 Plus doesn't mess around. It's premium through and through. Fast, loud speakers and a gorgeous display. This tablet's loaded enough to double as a laptop or a sidekick monitor. It's the perfect middle ground between a phone and a full-on computer. If you're into jotting notes or sketching, the included stylus is a game changer. It shines for anything pen-friendly. But if you're just a casual user, those fancy features might gather dust. I'd nudge you toward the Tab series instead. The S10 Plus rocks rich, immersive sound and an AMOLED screen that's a treat to look at. Holding it landscape style feels great even for long stretches. No shock here, streaming shows or blasting tunes on this thing is pure bliss. Samsung's still selling the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus at a friendlier price. It's a generation older, but if you want the best, the S10 Plus is where it's at. Craving a bigger screen? The S10 Ultra is the same vibe, just supersized. It's built for landscape use with the selfie cam perched right up top. Perfect for video calls. Number 2. Lenovo Tab P12 with matte display. Looking for something zippy, light, and with insane battery life? The Lenovo Tab P12 with its matte display has your name on it. It's perfect for low-key stuff like browsing, note-taking, or streaming, though its Android setup and limited horsepower mean it's not built for heavy lifting. Lenovo dropped the Tab P12 into its lineup a while back, but here's why it's popping up now. They've quietly rolled out a fresh version with the same guts but a killer paper-like matte screen that's a dream for scribbling notes or doodling. Design-wise, it's simple but not ugly. Inside the box, you get the stylus and a couple of no-frills manuals straight to the point. At just 6.9mm thick, it's crazy thin and light with curved edges that give it a polished feel. Great for work or fun on the go. It measures 197x293x 6.9mm minus the camera bump, so holding it for too long might not be the comfiest. Number 1, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is Samsung's latest, greatest and biggest Android tablet yet. With an upgraded chip, apps fly on its stunning 14.6-inch AMOLED display. But here's the catch. It's less powerful than the M4 iPad Pro even though it costs more. What sets it apart? That wild size. I dig it because it feels like a premium, larger-than-life Android slate with a screen that pops. Speaking of that screen, the 14.6-inch AMOLED is hands down my favorite part. Samsung nailed it with this one. It's massive and you'll spend every second soaking in what you paid for. Benchmark tests show it hits around 775 nits for HDR content, bright and beautiful. I love its boldness and sheer scale, but fair warning, it might wear you out over long sessions and the battery life isn't exactly a standout. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, stick around. Subscribe for more tech breakdowns and gadget goodness. Like the video, smash that like button and share it with your crew. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment with what you want me to review next or any questions you've got. I read every single one. So what's on deck for the next video? You tell me. Take care and see you soon.